Good morning, children. Myself, Uzma Siddiqui, and I'm going to teach you GK. Topic I know them. Before going to topic, I'm requesting to you all, please subscribe our channel, click bell icon on your mobile for getting all channels notifications. So let's move to our topic, that is I know them. Good morning, children. Again, we come to our topic, that is I know them. What is the meaning of I know them? To whom we know them? So here, I know them means that famous personalities. Children, if someone is having popularity, is having fame, so we want to know them about. That how they get popularity, how they get success. So from them, we want some inspiration, and also they are really inspirative personality for us. So we have to take some inspiration from that inspiring personalities so that they inspire our life for better future, right? So today we are going to discuss about some that personalities which are really inspiring us in our life. Here first you see the picture, that is, who is he? Everyone knows very well. He is Amitabh Bachchan. Who is he? He is Amitabh Bachchan. Right? What do you know about Amitabh Bachchan? Yes? Tell me, what do you know about Amitabh Bachchan? Yes, he is a Bollywood actor. He is a very popular Bollywood actor. As we can say that he is a king in Bollywood. Yes. So here we have to know something about Amitabh Bachchan. That who is he, how he gets popularity, what is the background, okay, some achievement of his life. So here we start from Amitabh Bachchan, that he is an Indian film actor. Children, he is a film producer also. He first gained popularity in the year 1970s for films such as Zanjeer, Diwar, and I know you know very well, children, that is the film Sholay also. Very popular film of his time, that is Sholay. And now newly you know the films of Amitabh Bachchan very well, that is Mohabbatein, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. He rolled in a very good form, right? So he is a very good actor, very popular actor of Bollywood. Now come on Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. Here is a picture of Mukesh Ambani, right? Who is he? Now, Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is the richest man in Asia. He is the richest man in Asia. He is a business magnate, business magnate, very high businessman. And the chairman also and shareholder of Reliance company. You using a phone of Reliance, you using connection of Reliance in your phone of Reliance SIM, right? So who is the owner of this Reliance company? Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is the owner of Reliance Company. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is the owner of Reliance Company. Dear children, if anyone asks you this, who is Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani? So immediately, without any hesitation, you say answer that he is a businessman and he is the owner of Reliance Company. So next move our inspiring personality, that is A.R. Rahman. See, this is a picture of A.R. Rahman. Who is he? Allah Rakha Rahman. His full name is Allah Rakha Rahman. Professionally, he is a great Indian composer, singer and musician also. He works in Tamil and Hindi movies. His family background from Tamil Nadu, right? His family background from Tamil Nadu. He was belong to Tamil family. But some rumor are there that he was Malayali. No, he was not Malayali. He is Tamilian, right? He is an Indian composer, singer and music producer also. Now next, our great personality and inspiring, that is our great cricketer Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli knows, I think everyone knows very well, because especially boys are very fond of cricket. So my dear children, Virat Kohli is an Indian popular cricketer who currently captains of Indian national team. He is a captain of Indian national team. Kohli is regarded as one of the best player in the world. Kohli is regarded as the best player in the world. He is one of the best batsmen in international cricket team. So, you know very well that who is the wife of Virat Kohli? Do you know it? Anushka Sharma. She is a Bollywood actress also, very famous actress. Anushka Sharma. In PK film, she is the actress. Yes, she is a co-star with Amir Khan. You have seen picture. Everyone, I hope that you have seen the picture PK. Very popular film. So, Virat Kohli's wife is Anushka Sharma. I am giving this knowledge for your general knowledge, that you have to know about it. So my dear children, these 4 personalities I have talked about you. I have given some knowledge about you. So you repeat it again, learn the chapter again. Now we will move for the activity, which is very important to evaluate your study, that how much you gained, right? How much you gained. Yes. So let's move to our activity. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
So as I explained the chapter, I know them. So you understand the chapter?
Yes.
Okay. What you get from the chapter? What you get? What you know in chapter? There is a description of famous
personality.
Personality. Yes, personality. Very good. Personality. What famous personality? The personality which inspires to us, right?
Yes.
So tell me the name of 2 famous personality of India.
Yes.
Rohan, tell me.
Virat Kohli.
Yes. Amitabh
Bachchan.
Very good. And Sachin Tendulkar. Yes. So these are our these are our famous personalities of India.
Yeah.
So here I have given one exercise for you that you will do. Read the sentence and put the tick in correct box. Right?
Yes.
So Virat Kohli is a dancer or cricketer?
Cricketer.
Tick here. Very good. Amitabh Bachchan is an actor or cricketer?
Actor.
Very good. You have seen so many pictures of Amitabh Bachchan. Have you seen?
Yes.
Huh? Tell me the one picture of Amitabh Bachchan, one film. Do you know one film, very popular film?
Yes.
Tell me. Okay, very popular film of his time. It is a Zanjeer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, A.R. Rahman is a music director or an astronaut?
Music director.
Very good. Take it. Mukesh Ambani is a doctor or businessman?
Businessman.
Very good. Who is Mukesh Ambani? I have told you in chapter. He is a director,
Director.
managing director of Reliance Industry. Okay? He is a very big businessman, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, tomorrow I will listen other exercise also. Okay? And
Yes.
do the practice from the book of exercises.
Yes.
Okay.